Let's talk. You go first. I'm listening. This is what I want to talk about. This is something I wrote down. Now, like I said, I need to speak all the time. I need to think, and I need people to say whatever they say to me, even if I don't like it. And when they say something, it helps me reflect on other things. It helps me bend, torque. Okay. When I say I'm going to headquarters, in the alphabet, you see, there's many ways to use it. There's the alphabetical use of 26 letters. You reverse the back with the front, you get 27. 27 and 26 is 53. 27 and 27 is 54, and that's linking twice. The same thing with 1/4. Okay, in the Fibonacci, right, we run up to 24. But in 25, we now connect quarters. 1 and 4 will now create this corner. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 is now going to equal your 5, 1 to Mars, 5, 2 to Earth, 5, 4 to the Sun, 2 and 4 to the 9 lives of the cat, because it's 2 parts of Venus to create 8 and 6 is the half-life, and 8 is 2 squares over each other. 8, HQZ, let's just call it headquarters. Nu, the 5th letter, 1 and 4, 3 and 2. 1 and 4 is the IT system, which takes 3 and 2, the BC 10-4 code communication, 2 and 3, 1 and 4, creating the 5th letter of Nu. They say new shine, the new shine of the second sun. The new shine of the second sun. The new shine of the second sun, I'm going to mix GERMAN with JEW. You see that we can flip the G and the J and the M and the W, the German and the Jewish language and the German language, and we have new shine, like what's up, what are you doing, why are you sleeping? There is no 19, there is no letter S, okay, and there is no letter S when we come up through here. When we add 1 to 18, we create the gateway, add it up. When we add 18 and 1 or 8, 1 and 1, 181, it creates 17 or 1771. We get 18 and 9, 190. That is your S letter, S and O. S and O equals to half because that's the expression that's used both ways. 19 times 19 is 361. 18 times 18 is 324. 324 is the vibration. Okay, in between 361 to 361 connecting days to the next side. Creation of 1, 6, 1, and 3. Creation of the touchdown on the moon. Okay, 1 exists in 313, 121, 1 exists at the 7th gate because the minimum you have for the first row is 3. When you cross angle that 3, we create this. We create cross angle 3, we create 9, 1, 5, and 9. We go this way and this way to 6, this way over here, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 6, 1 and 2, 1 and 6. Okay, so this S letter, 1 and 9, because the yellow ball and pull is on the other side. If we went 17, we'd have alpha omega on this side, 1 and 7 to the 7th gate, 3, 1, 3. If we have 3, 1, 3, 3 and 1 is 4, and 3 is 7. There's your 3, 1, 3, creating to the next side. Do you understand? The S letter, okay, the S letter is 19. The R letter, where is the R letter in here? The R letter is in the A family, 18 plus 1, 171, 8, 1, and 1 is 10, becomes 181. 8 plus 1 and 1 is 10. 10 becomes 16. It becomes 187. That's the split in the gateway, 8 and 7. Now, if we go 8 and 1 and 1 become 10, become 1, this becomes 172. This says big. This is big, the big red sun. Now, if we have no yellow or the yellow splits inside of blue, we now create green. Okay? 3, 5, and 9, because 1 is inside. 2 and 1 create 3. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, create 5. 3 times 3 is 9, and inside 9 is 4, 1, 4. It's the IT system. 1, 1, and 1 are inside all 3 of these. Inside the cards, inside the cards, inside the cube, inside the cube. The reverse of 5 is 1 and 4. 1 gets 6, 4 gets 3, 6 and 3 is 9. Inside the 5 is 4 ghosts. Inside the 9, okay, all 9 areas of the face, we get none. So we get 4 and none, and 6. 640, 646. That will create the DC world. 24, 6 times 4, and 10, 34, the DC world. We create the gateway. Here we have 2 times 22, all 51s. This is from my video. 2 times 22 is 44 area space. Wait to reach 7. Add 7 to this, the 7th gate. We create the 7th gate in Mars. At 8, we now create Earth. We now have the separation between the 2. 6 and 7 will create 7 and 8. Inside 2, 2, and 2, Grover Cleveland creates this number. So 5 equals any W valued letters. If we go to the roulette board where there's 36, add up 1 to 36, it equals to 666. Add up 1 to 36, it equals to 666 minus the alphabet, adding up 1 to 26, which equals to 351. The total equals to 315. They all say ace, ace, F, F, F. FF is 12, 1 and 2. FFF is 18. 12 and 18 is 1, 4, 7. Separation from 3, 6, and 9. 3 and 1 will create 4. 6 and 4 will create 1. 6 and 7, 13 create 4. This and this create this again. This and this will create this. This and this will create this. This and this recreates this. This and this. This and this recreates this. 9 and 8, 17, and recreates this. So we see that scenario. So 3 opens up 6 and 9. 9 lives of the cat. And if we talk about the birth of a cat, 69 days. The birth of a dog, 69 days. Next thing I want to talk about is something pretty simple, is when these squares over here. If I keep this square, if I want to do it, I can do it this way. But this is not the same way. This shows me only one box, and I touch all 4 corners. So this box touches all 4 corners, the line extension above and below of 9. But it's not the same as this one over here. You see the way I'm obligated to do this. This one, okay, will automatically get me 2, and then it'll bring me into the center here. Okay, if I do it linear, I pick up 3, a half a box over here, and a half a box over here is 4. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see if I can do it this way. I'm gonna use this box over here, okay, and I'm gonna use this box over here. In order to create this one single box over here, it takes 4 boxes. The same thing, that means this diamond shape will create 4 inside of this one. But if I hold this on an angle and show you the diamond shape, see the way it only takes 1? There's only 1 X inside the O over here. Inside the line over here, there is no X because it's straight. Even if I go this way, unless I crisscross through 4 boxes. I crisscross through 4 boxes on this one, okay, I got the X. If I take this one and crisscross the diamond, I get the addition sign. So there's a difference. There's differences. I'm just bringing awareness. I can't do all the numbers and explain the whole scenario. It's just like impossible to do everything. But just to know that Q, Z, and Z says headquarters, and it's all 8, 8, and 8 equals to 24. 8 equals to 0, 8, 44, 35, 26, 17, 171, the letter R, where there is no S. There was one other thing. Now the continuation of 8, 8, 8. 8 and 8 is 16, creates 7. 8 equals to 24. 8, 8, 8 equals to 6. Now we're not going to add up the big numbers because I seem to have jumped over it. 6, 7, 8 equals to 21. 21. 6 and 8 here. And 7 is 15, and 6, 21. 6 and 7 is 13, and 21. 6, 4, 3. 3, 6, 8. These 6 and 21, 27 equals 9. This is the cycle of the moon, M and O. M, letter, equals 4, 5, and 6 because of its design, Roman numerals. 21 is the cube inside of 8. 29 is the birth, the leap year. This will happen once. This will happen 3 times. Add 39 equals to the sky, equals 45, equals to the fox. 3 times this equals to 84, equaling to Pluto. This one over here is, excuse me, I'm just trying to think. Yes, because of the leap year. 3 times this one over here equals to 63, and that is Jupiter, the cube inside Jupiter. 3 by 6 is 18, is the resident angel. But the first one and the last one have the same scenario, right? The same scenario. The 4th year is that leap year. So we're going to go 4 by 8 is 32, the doorway. 60 is the clock. 84 is Pluto. 4 by 13, 52 Earth. 4 by 6, 24 the day. 9 lives of the cat, creation of the gateway 101. 4 by 21 is Pluto. 42, 14 the cube. 56 the red sun. Inside of the 6 and 8 are opposites because 2 and 4, that creates 6, is the opposite of 5 and 3. 1 and 5 is the opposite of 6 and 2, etc. This one here, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12, 18 becomes 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, 9, 9, 3, 6 reverse. 6, okay, 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 9 is 18. 9 goes here. 9 and 3 is 12. 24, 21 the cube, 27. Because of the leap year, becomes 81 Venus, becomes creation of the moons inside Jupiter, which is runner of all. And here is the clock. 72 seconds run the clock because there's 5 12s inside this, but it takes 72 parts to run a half day at 12 hours. This is also when the big red sun. Now, I can't explain it exactly, and it sounds like an Irish kite, nothing. And I'm going very fast because sometimes I'm right on, sometimes I'm not. Inside of this, I end up with 9, 9, and 9. Inside of this, I end up with 6, 3, and 9, 9, 3, and 6. Inside of this, I end up with 2. Make this a 7 because it's the gateway in the moon. It adds up to 10. 2, 7, 9. 2, 9 is your birth. 7 is your gateway. And I can keep going on. It's 11 minutes. It's way too long. I should slow these down and not care about the time, but I can't, and I have to because that's the only way. Thank you for watching this video.